Are you tired of cluttered closets and the daily struggle to find space for your family's wardrobe? Well, prepare to be amazed by a simple yet ingenious solution that could revolutionize your mornings. Introducing the IKEA OMTRENT, a tiny clip with a mighty impact on your storage game. In a world where every inch of space counts, this 75p hack is taking Britain by storm. But here's where it gets controversial. It's not just about the price, it's about the potential it unlocks. The OMTRENT is a humble gray clip, but its power lies in its ability to transform your hanging space. By linking hangers vertically, it creates an efficient, organized system, turning chaos into calm. With a potential 200% increase in hanging capacity, it's like discovering a secret weapon for wardrobe warriors. Imagine a world where your clothes are neatly arranged, easily accessible, and no longer fighting for space. Say goodbye to tangled garments and hello to a streamlined morning routine. This is the part most people miss. With OMTRENT, you're not just buying a connector, you're investing in a simpler, more organized life. How it works. Setting up is a breeze. Simply hook the OMTRENT over your existing hanger, slide in additional hangers, and voila! You've created a tidy chain. The clip ensures a straight, browse-friendly arrangement, and its compatibility with most standard hangers makes it a versatile solution. Real-life benefits. Families, bundle a week's worth of uniforms into organized chains, reducing the morning rush. Shift workers, arrange stacks for different shifts, making transitions seamless. Small space renters, maximize vertical space without bulky furniture. Students, keep outfits grouped, even on flimsy rails. Shared wardrobes, multiply hanging space for each person. Value and impact. At just 7.5p per connector, the cost-to-impact ratio is impressive. For a few coins, you can transform your wardrobe's functionality. This is why the OMTRENT is gaining traction. It's an affordable, effective solution with a significant impact on daily life. Smart usage tips. Spread weight evenly to avoid sagging. Keep heavy coats separate. Consider height, 2 hanger stacks for children, 3 for adults. Create complete outfits, not just piles. Label chains for easy morning routines. Who benefits most? Households managing multiple wardrobes will see the greatest advantage. Whether it's a family with children, flatmates sharing a space, or renters with limited storage, the OMTRENT offers a practical, cost-effective solution. Availability and tips. The OMTRENT is now available across IKEA UK for 75p. Start with 2 hanger stacks for heavy garments, and keep spares for laundry day. Measure your rail-to-shelf gap to estimate your space gain. Final thoughts. The OMTRENT is more than just a clip, it's a game-changer for organized living. With its efficient design and affordable price, it's a must-have for anyone seeking a simpler, more streamlined wardrobe. So, are you ready to give it a try? Join the revolution and unlock the potential of your storage space.